Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Connor with Westside Construction. We're going to be doing a repairability test on this roof here. It's a couple of repairs we're paid for. So we're going to go ahead and attempt to remove this wind crease shingle and attempt to do a repair on it. So I got my insurance-approved roof snake. We're going to start off by unsealing this first shingle, figure out where it starts and ends. So. Okay, so this shingle, it starts here. That means it ends at the end of the roof. So we're going to be removing the shingles above it as well. Or I'm sorry, removing the nails from the shingles above it as well to be able to get this out. So I'll unseal this row as well as the row above it. Start moving this first nail here. Right, that one came out the way that it should. Okay, so you can see, get a little closer here, this nail pulled directly through this shingle, really before I could even apply really any pressure. That causes this hole now to become larger than what that nail head was previously, right? Because it pulled through it. So now what I'm gonna have to do is put a nail back into that hole and hope that it doesn't leak, or create a new penetration in the shingle and seal up that hole and hope that it doesn't leak, all in the process of trying to repair this one shingle here. Now, it happened on the shingle that we are removing, but if that happens to any of these other shingles above the shingle that we're removing, that's when we start running into some problems. So we're gonna continue on. Let me get this nail out underneath here. Going. Okay, same thing with this nail too. Pull through the shingle instead of coming out with the shingles. So we'll get that out as well. And now, in order to get this shingle out, I have to remove the nails from the nail line above it as well. So we'll start off with here. Okay, that one was a little bit better. This nail here. Okay, so again, that nail pulled straight through that shingle, again creating a larger hole than what the previous nail head would have been. And this is not the shingle that we're supposed to be removing. So now, because that happened, I have a choice to make. Do I try and leave that how it is, or do I also replace the shingle above it? If we're trying to get the roof back to a pre-storm condition, then more than likely I'm going to have to remove the shingle that has now been damaged in the process of trying to repair the one that is being paid for. So we would need to send in a supplement for any additional shingles that are damaged in the process. We'll keep on going and get this shingle out. Looks like before I could even try, the nail that was here is already pulled through. So that one has already been compromised. Try and get this out. Okay. All right. This should come out. One more somewhere. Oh, no, it's just stuck to the starting strip. Okay. All right. So now that is out. And we have, in the process of removing this shingle that is wind damage, we have damaged this shingle as well. So this shingle will also need to come out and be replaced due to us attempting to remove that one. So with that being said, I would say that this roof is not repairable, but we'll go ahead and send this off to you guys and see what you think.